Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future and learning how to create and manage digital assets in teamwork.com, your full 2025 guide. First up, sign into your Teamwork account. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects tab. This is where all your project management happens, but we're focusing on digital assets today, so let's proceed. Now that we've done that, let's create a new digital asset. Click on the Add a Project button, then select Digital Assets. Here, you're allowed to upload files or link to online resources that you consider significant for your project. The reason we do this is to help organize and centralize all relevant files and links, making it easier for the team to access and use them. Once you've added the necessary files or links, it's time to manage your digital assets. Click on the Digital Assets tab in your project. Here, you can view, download, edit, or delete your assets. This helps us because it provides an overview of all available assets, enabling you to monitor their usage and make necessary changes if needed. But wait, let me explain why this matters. Managing digital assets effectively in teamwork.com ensures that all team members have access to the same resources, reducing confusion and promoting efficiency. It's like a library where everyone knows where to find the books they need. Next up, let's talk about asset permissions. By clicking on a specific digital asset, you can set who can view, edit, or delete it. This is crucial for maintaining control over who can access and modify your assets. Finally, always remember to keep your digital assets updated. Teamwork.com allows you to replace an existing asset with an updated version. This ensures that your team always has the most current version of any file or link, avoiding any outdated information. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to create and manage digital assets in teamwork.com for 2025. Remember, the key here is organization and control, ensuring your team can easily access and use the resources they need. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.